Allah. So
You gonna dance? Show me what you can do, boy. You like it?
Now listen here, okay? The girl I talk to, she's sort of neurotic. Her crazy ex-boyfriend is really psychotic. Scares the girl by threatening her life. Says, girl, you're dead if you're not my wife. Beats her in public, beats her in private. Tried it round me, almost old riot. Said forget him, don't you know he's a loser? Who will love a woman, turn around and abuse her? Only a fool as described by the tribe. Here's another one who's on the fool vibe. Gonna make it short, gonna make it quick. For this situation makes me sick. See your brother man with the female. His crazy ego try to show he'll prevail. In any situation, lady luck's on his side. Emotions run free, nothing he will hide. Well, I remember one sunny day, took my cousin to the park so we can play. On the way, a couple resembled the one I just described, everything assembled. Another young man walked in their direction, bumped him a bit, excused his imperfection. But the man with the lady grabbed the other by the neck, demanded an apology and also respect. The young man aggravated, grabbed him back and smacked him. The girl just laughed and laughed and laughed at him. He felt ashamed for what he had done and looked like a fool to everyone. These are 3 stories from the naked city, reality, and sometimes a ditty, like Rob Serling from the Twilight Zone. Earth to your brain, is anyone home? I see you there, try to make amends, try to make some friends, but now the story ends on a note that I just wrote. Stay afloat on the reality boat, slow down and think and take it cool, and try to avoid the description of the mood.
man, Tip, you think you all that now that you on wax or something that you could tell a brother what to do? If y'all can do it, yeah, 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 I like this here. Oh God, a lot more. So I can.
You gonna dance? Show me what you can do, boy. You like it?
If y'all can do it, yeah, 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 if y'all can do it,